Hello viewers, let's discuss the 10 common mistakes to avoid when managing our finances. Avoiding common mistakes when managing your finances is crucial for achieving financial stability and success. Here are 10 mistakes to steer clear of. 1. Not having a budget. One of the most significant mistakes is not having a budget. Without a budget, it's challenging to track your spending, prioritize expenses, and save for future goals. Creating and sticking to a budget is essential for managing your finances effectively. 2. Living beyond your means. Spending more money than you earn can lead to debt, financial stress, and an inability to achieve your long-term goals. It's essential to live within your means and avoid excessive spending on non-essential items. 3. Ignoring emergency savings. Failing to build an emergency fund can leave you vulnerable to unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an emergency fund to cover unforeseen financial challenges. 4. Neglecting retirement planning. Not planning for retirement early enough is a common mistake. Starting to save for retirement late can result in having insufficient funds to maintain your desired lifestyle during your golden years. Take advantage of retirement accounts such as 401(k)s, IRAs, or Roth IRAs to save for retirement consistently. 5. Not investing or investing too conservatively. Failing to invest your money or investing too conservatively can hinder your ability to build wealth over time. While it's essential to consider your risk tolerance, avoiding investment altogether can mean missing out on potential returns that can help your money grow faster than inflation. 6. Carrying high-interest debt. Carrying high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can eat into your finances and make it challenging to achieve your financial goals. Focus on paying off high-interest debt as quickly as possible to free up money for saving and investing. 7. Not reviewing your finances regularly. Neglecting to review your finances regularly can result in missed opportunities to improve your financial situation. Make it a habit to review your budget, savings, investments, and debt regularly to track your progress and make necessary adjustments. 8. Overlooking insurance needs. Underestimating the importance of insurance coverage can leave you vulnerable to financial risk. Make sure you have adequate health insurance, life insurance, disability insurance, and property insurance to protect yourself and your family from unexpected events. 9. Neglecting to plan for major expenses. Failing to plan for major expenses such as buying a house, starting a family, or paying for your children's education can strain your finances when these expenses arise. Start saving and planning for major expenses well in advance to avoid financial stress down the road. 10. Not seeking professional advice when needed. Lastly, not seeking professional advice when needed can be a costly mistake. Financial advisors can provide valuable guidance on budgeting, investing, retirement planning, tax strategies, and more. Don't hesitate to seek professional help to make informed financial decisions. By avoiding these common mistakes and adopting healthy financial habits, you can take control of your finances, build wealth, and achieve your long-term financial goals. Remember that financial success is a journey that requires discipline, patience, and continuous learning.